Welcome. If you're looking to organize your Pinterest inspirations in a fresh, creative way, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to add a pin to a new collage on Pinterest. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or just getting started, these simple steps will help you showcase your favorite ideas in a whole new way. Let's dive right in. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space, where all your pins and boards are neatly displayed. Next, tap on the Pins tab. Here, you'll see all the pins you've saved so far. Scroll through and find the pin you want to add to your new collage. Once you've found the perfect pin, tap on it to open it in full view. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top or bottom corner of the screen. Tap on these three dots to open up more options for your pin. From the menu that appears, select Add to Collage. You'll now see an option to create collage. Tap on it. This is where the fun begins. Give your new collage a unique name that reflects your theme or mood. Once you've named it, tap Create to finish setting up your collage. That's it. Your chosen pin is now part of your brand new collage. You can continue adding more pins to this collage later, making it easy to group similar ideas, inspirations, or projects all in one place. Organizing your pins with collages is a great way to keep your Pinterest profile tidy and visually appealing. Try it out and see how it transforms the way you collect and share inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Pinterest tips and tutorials. Happy pinning!